Girls, we got a 99 Avalon here, Toyota Avalon. We're gonna change the brake bulb over here. So if you need to change the brake bulb over there, it's the same procedure. And these are a little bit hard to do, not a hard to do, and they're just time consuming and something that can break. Anyway, we don't want to damage the whole light housing, so it is something that we need to take off. But use a number 10mm socket. Remove this guy and this guy. Okay, I got this guy on a standby just in case. You could have a flathead screwdriver, you could have something long, it could be a rod, it will work, and it could be flat in the front. That'd be perfect. Because this is all good old light, people say they get jammed up, they won't come out. So only thing I can do here is just pull, and those little guys in the end here, I'm gonna show you guys, they're going this way. So if they don't come out, what you wanna do here is you wanna pry them out a bit, okay? This car's been, this is almost 22-year-old car, 23. There you go. Who said we can't get that out? Usually these guys right here will tend to get stuck in there. Okay, they will get stuck into those little holes. So if you can spray a little bit of WD-40 from here, wiggle them in and out, that will usually work. But our brake light bulb is right down here. This is what it looked like. Let's see if you got the bulb, correct the bulb. And there's our bulb. This bulb is a common bulb. I'm gonna go get the bulb. I'm gonna take off my glove. You're gonna see my gloves is not on, and I'm gonna wipe down my hand because you don't want any grease, anything onto that bulb. If you clean up your hands really good, something staticky, that will take care of that. Okay, this bulb is a dual filament, dual flare, so it has two flares inside. That means it's a special bulb. This number here is 7443. That's the number on this bulb. So just want to warn you guys. You see it has 3 wires. This connector has 3 wires and this one has 2 wires. The difference here is this is single filament and this is double. So when you turn on your headlights, okay, when you turn on your headlight, one of the bulbs, one of the filament comes on, and when you press the brake pedal, the second one come on. That's how you see that reaction. Light is on, and then it gets brighter when you brake, okay? My hands is super clean, okay? Make sure your hand is clean. So it does not matter which way you plug this guy in, okay? Doesn't matter if you plug it this way or that way. Just plug in the bulb any direction you can. Take this guy. Now we need to go clockwise with this guy. Okay, now what we need to do here is put the light back in. So we do need to line these 2 little guys in the back. Smack them, bada bing, bada boom, and take your 2 10mm. Lock them up. You should have a working bulb. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. See you guys soon.